Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's news bulletin. Here are the headlines of the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi conferred highest civilian honours of Fiji and Papua New Guinea for his global leadership. Prime Minister Narendra Modi co-chairs the third summit of Forum for India-Pacific Islands Cooperation, says Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is India's core inspiration. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar urges MLAs, MPs to immobilize their remote controls to contribute maximum in Parliament assemblies. Indian athlete Shaili Singh bags bronze medal at Golden Grand Prix 2023 athletics meet in Japan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was conferred with Fiji's highest civilian honour, the Companion of the Order of Fiji, for his global leadership. Modi received the medal from his Fiji counterpart, Sitiveni Rabuka. In a tweet, Modi thanked Rabuka for the award. He also expressed his gratitude to the people and government of Fiji. Governor-General of Papua New Guinea, Bob Tadei, also bestowed upon Modi the nation's highest civilian award, the Grand Companion of the Order of Laguhu. He received the award for championing the cause of unity of Pacific Island countries and spearheading the cause of Global South. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today co-chaired the third summit of the Forum for India-Pacific Islands Cooperation with his Papua New Guinea counterpart James Marape in Port Moresby, the capital city of Papua New Guinea. Making the opening remarks at the FIPIC Third Summit, Modi said the whole world is facing new challenges today and the hurdles have been seen in the global food, fuel, fertilizers and farmer supply chains. He added that in Indian ideology, the whole world has been seen as a family and Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is India's core inspiration. Expressing concern over the growing tendency to weaponize disruption and disturbance as a political strategy in Parliament and legislative assemblies, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar on Monday urged MPs and MLAs to immobilize their remote controls to contribute their maximum in the temples of democracy. Legislatures in particular and expressed if it can be weaponized as a political strategy, disruption and disturbance of the House, Dhankar asked while inaugurating the Silver Jubilee celebrations of the Kerala Legislative Assembly building near Sabha. Reserve Bank of India Governor Shakti Kanta Das has said the withdrawal of the 2,000 rupees bank notes is part of currency management. He said the RBI has been following a clean note policy for a long time. Das said from time to time it withdraws notes of a particular series and issues fresh notes. Das said the 2,000 rupees bank notes were introduced primarily to replenish the notes withdrawn following demonetization, and that purpose has been fulfilled and there are enough notes in circulation. Governor Phagu Chauhan on Sunday arrived at Maukirwat Southwest Khasi Hills for a two-day visit to the district. He was given a ceremonial welcome in the presence of Deputy Commissioner T. Lingwa and the Superintendent of Police Golden Bird Karwanlang at the Circuit House Maukirwat. During his visit, the governor is scheduled to meet officials of central agencies, heads of departments, district administration and headmen of nearby villages. Meghalaya Biodiversity Board today celebrated the International Day for Biological Diversity under the theme From Agreement to Action, Build Back Biodiversity. International Day for Biological Diversity or World Biodiversity Day is observed every year on May 22nd to promote biodiversity conservation. Speaking on the occasion as the chief guest, Chief Secretary D.P. Walang said biodiversity encompasses flora and fauna, forest and all the ecosystems that come along with it. He appreciated Daprang Songthiang of Quad Village, Maukinrao block for recognizing the importance of conservation of biodiversity by surrendering his licensed gun, which he had been using for hunting, and added that this would inspire others also to do the same.
Biodiversity involves flora, fauna, the forest, and all the ecosystem that comes along with it. The theme of this year is From Agreement to Action, Build Back Biodiversity, which is a very important theme because we should not talk only about plans, we should not talk only about the agreements that we sign, but we should come also and see some action that takes place to bring back biodiversity. And I'm happy to see that so many activities has been undertaken by the board, and for which the testimony lies in all the awards that we have given this morning.
Indian athlete Shaili Singh clinched a bronze medal at the Golden Grand Prix 2023 athletics meet in the women's long jump event in Yokohama, Japan. Last night, Shaili Singh attempted a jump of 6.65 meter, which provided her third place on the podium at the Yokohama meet, a World Athletics Continental Tour Gold Label event. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 25.2 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 15 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 61% while it was 70% in the evening. The recorded rainfall was 2.2 millimeters. And the forecast says light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at few places. This is a reminder that our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we wind up, here's the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi conferred highest civilian honours of Fiji and Papua New Guinea for his global leadership. Prime Minister Narendra Modi co-chairs the third summit of the Forum for Indo-Pacific Islands. Cooperation, says Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, is India's core inspiration. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar urges MLAs, MPs to mobilize their remote controls to contribute maximum in Parliament assemblies. And Indian athlete Shaili Singh bags bronze medal at Golden Grand Prix 2023 athletics meet in Japan. And with that, we've come to the end of today's edition of the News Bulletin. Do join us back tomorrow at the same time. Good night.